Good afternoon, everybody. Family and Steve here once again. Hope that you all are having a good day. Today I am going to be doing a little work here in the bathroom. I just got done doing some cleaning in here, and I'll show that to you here in a little bit. But if you look over here, you see that there is an outlet. And I've got this little cover here that I'm going to be installing. Found this out in the barn. And there's the information pack right there. This is the first time me ever installing an outlet cover. And looks to be in pretty good shape. I'm going to see if I can try to find one for the light switch here. So this should be a pretty simple job here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this removed from the pack here, from the wrapping. And that's pretty much what I have to do is just undo this screw here. Screw removed. There was a piece right there from where the original was, from where it broke off. Okay, so I'm just gonna which how I'm gonna do this. Okay. There it is. I just installed a light outlet cover for the first time, and it looks great now. Now the next thing I'm going to do is this is a scented wax candle warmer. I have not made a video on this yet, but it has a little switch on it right there. You just turn that on and you turn it off. It has the same function as always. Has a very powerful light in there, and it warms up, and that is what causes the wax to melt, and it basically just puts out a good scent in the bathroom. And has these little stickers here to where to keep. I guess that's to keep it from falling back from the wall. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this put in now, very carefully. Okay. And there we go. Here's a look at the bathroom too, by the way. As you can see, just cleaning the toilet. There's a toilet there. There's the shower. There's the sink, of course. Well, there you go, everybody. There is a demonstration of a light cover install, as well as a lamp, scented lamp as well. I hope that you all have enjoyed the video, and I will catch you later. Bye-bye.